Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're starting a 14-day project to help get our homes ready for fall. A series of practical updates that can make your home more comfortable, beautiful, and ready for the cooler months ahead. These aren't big, overwhelming tasks, but small steps that, when done together, can really make a difference in how your home works for you and how it feels as the season changes. Along the way, I'll share a few simple ideas to bring warmth and style into your space, making it a place you truly enjoy spending time in. Let's dive in. Let's start by freshening up the air in our homes. Before the furnace runs all season, take a minute to replace or clean your air filters and give the vents a quick dust. It makes such a difference in how the house feels. You'll notice the air smells cleaner, and it's a simple way to care for your home and your health. Your entryway sets the tone for the whole home. Today, clear out summer shoes and clutter, then add a boot tray and a fall rug. It makes coming home feel so much more welcoming. This is also the perfect time to add a basket for scarves or leashes, so everything has a place. Time to switch out the closet. Bring your cozy sweaters, jeans, and boots to the front and store away your summer pieces. It's a small step that makes getting dressed so much easier. While you're at it, donate anything you didn't wear last season to make space for the pieces you actually love. Let's get the coat closet ready for cooler weather. Make space for jackets, scarves, and hats, and add hooks or baskets for easy grab-and-go storage. You'll thank yourself on those chilly mornings. A little organization here keeps the rest of the house from getting cluttered. Outdoor furniture needs a little love before winter. Give chairs and cushions a quick clean, then either cover or store them. That way, everything's protected and ready for next year. This also clears space for adding fall decor or even a cozy outdoor seating spot with blankets. Your porch or patio can be such a cozy spot in fall. Sweep away summer leaves, add a fresh doormat, and maybe a planter with mums or pumpkins. Just a few touches is all it takes to create an inviting first impression that makes coming home even more special. Today's task is a quick kitchen refresh. Wipe down your oven, microwave, and refrigerator shelves. It feels so good to head into baking season with a clean space. A sparkling kitchen makes cooking fall soups and treats that much more enjoyable. Let's give the pantry a reset. Clear out expired snacks, organize what's left, and stock up on fall staples, things like soup ingredients, baking supplies, and warm drinks. This way, you'll always be ready for cozy meals at home. Make your living room extra cozy. Swap out lightweight throws for heavier blankets and add textured pillow covers in fall tones. Small changes make the whole room feel warm and inviting. A cozy space is perfect for movie nights or curling up with a book. Switch your bedroom over to fall comfort. Think flannel sheets, a heavier comforter, and rich fall colors. It's the perfect way to make your space feel snug for cooler nights. Updating your bedroom for the season creates the perfect atmosphere to unwind and recharge. Bathrooms deserve a little fall refresh too. Swap lightweight towels for something plush. Organize your storage, and maybe add a seasonal candle and hand soap for a cozy touch. These small updates make everyday routines feel more special. This one's important. Take a few minutes to check smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, replace batteries if needed, and gather flashlights or emergency supplies. It's simple peace of mind. A safe home is always a more comfortable home. With shorter days ahead, good lighting makes such a difference. Dust your lamps, replace any dim bulbs, and consider warmer-toned bulbs to make your evenings feel cozy. Lighting has such a big impact on how your home feels during the darker months. Let's finish by adding one final seasonal touch: a wreath on the door, a simple centerpiece, or a few pumpkins. It doesn't take a lot of work to welcome the season in style. This is your reward after all the little projects, a home that is ready for fall. And that's our 14-day fall home refresh. These little steps may seem simple on their own, but together they create a home that's ready for the season, comfortable, welcoming, and truly supportive of the way you live. I hope this inspires you to take some time to prepare your own space, not just for the colder months ahead, but to make your home a place you enjoy every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe so we can continue creating beautiful, practical spaces together. Wishing you a cozy and peaceful fall.